Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I've been checking out a very interesting app which allows you to take any of your blurry or worn out images and photos and drastically improve their quality. Even taking a photo as out of focus as this and using the power of AI to make some substantial improvements. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And don't forget to submit your live wallpaper and home screen requests right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just head to the live section and then click on the request button. And remember to boost your favorite ones using both the heart and the booster buttons here. So for this quick tutorial, we're going to be checking out the app Remini. Now this app does house a ton of image manipulation options, but more importantly, it's going to be perfect for those of you looking for a quick and easy method of improving your old damaged photos. So let's sign up and give it a try. Now right off the bat, the free version allows you to use any of these awesome features 5 times on a daily basis. So make sure you take your time and spend a couple days to check all of them out yourself. But for this example, we're going to load in a couple different images and see how much of an improvement this app actually makes. So let's start with an actual photo from my personal archives. At this point, you do have the option to crop in, but let's just start the process and see what it does to this grainy, dated image. Now this process does take some time, so just give the app a few minutes to finish rendering. Now personally, I'm quite impressed. Moving that slider across the screen, not just are the photo grains removed, but there's also some extra details added to the face. Saying that, sadly this app can't work miracles. So the worse the original condition of the image, the less accurate the app will get. Such as here, with a pixelated image of Dexter, there's an overall big improvement in quality. However, you can tell that there's just something off about the image. It's almost as if the app scans it, then applies one of a few set templates to it. Most apparent if we zoom into the mouth area here, raising the question, was her smile originally like that? But still, if you're looking for a way of restoring your old photos such as I was, and because it's mostly free, why not give this app a go? And the pro version takes things even further and allows you to restore video files themselves. And that's not even mentioning the other hidden gems of the app, such as colorizing and the animator. Let me know what you guys think of the app in the comments section below. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And make sure you check out my other Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.